Welcome to the Fusion Production tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to take you through the process of creating a digital job instruction. This will identify a single set of steps, known as tasks, that fully define the entire manufacturing process of the part. To create a job instruction, you'll need to enter the Manage page using the sidebar. Once here, you'll see a list of all the job instructions we've already created, but we're going to create a new one. So let's select Create. At this point, we can identify the name of the job instruction and a default quantity. I'm going to add an image, which will help us to easily identify the job instructions later on. Now for some details. You can add anything here that you think will help the operators during manufacturing. So I'm just going to add a brief description of the component. Tags allow you to easily locate the job instruction once you've created it. Multiple tags can be added at once by separating them with a comma. At this stage, you can add any supporting files such as CAD data, and we're now ready to create our first task. A task describes a single step in the manufacturing process, such as acquiring the raw material. Now let's define the amount of time required to set up the task, as well as the total completion time. Assign a workstation that will be used to complete the task, and an optional image can be provided as a visual aid. Specific files associated with this task can be added by simply dragging and dropping. The last step in creating a task is to identify an optional checklist to aid the operator during completion and make sure the task is completed properly. You can stop an operator from marking a task as done unless all the checklist items are complete. At this point, we can save the task. To add more tasks, simply select Add Task and repeat the steps we've just taken. Or to edit a task, press the pencil icon. Tasks can be reordered by dragging them into the correct position, and once you're happy with the job instruction, it can be saved, ready for dispatch to the shop floor. Once the job instruction is saved, you can review all aspects of the job instruction and tasks you've created. Selecting the Other Actions icon allows you to perform any edits, duplicate the job instructions for a similar part maybe, or archive it. At this point, I'm ready to manufacture this part, so I'm going to dispatch it to the shop floor as a job sheet. Here we can specify how many job sheets we want to create, and how many parts are required per job sheet. A due date is added, as well as any tags. You can choose to copy the tags from the job instructions if you want to, or add new ones. Once you press Next, each job sheet requires an ID, and you can add a job sheet name. The specific job sheet due dates can be customized, and if the job is considered high priority, you can choose to flag it as a hot job. This adds a visual flame icon to the job sheet, and it will receive scheduling priority. Click Dispatch to send it to the shop floor, and the QR code or the whole job sheet can be printed at this point. Please continue watching the videos in this series for more helpful information about how to use Fusion Production. Thanks for watching.